Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on your Windows 11 system. So in the first step, open Task Manager, then you need to click on Run New Task, select Browse button, then open C drive. Now we need to open Windows folder, then simply find out System32 folder, open it. Now find out cmd.exe file, select it and click on open. Now this will be the path, and after that check this box and click on OK. It will open command prompt window, then type these commands. Type in sfc space /scan file equal to c:/windows /system32/ie frame.dll and press enter from your keyboard to execute the command. Now type sfc space /verify file equal to c:/windows /system32/ie frame.dll, then type exit to close the command prompt window. Now we need to open command prompt again, so go to search bar, type cmd, right click on it and select run as administrator, select yes. Again we need to execute some commands. Type in sfc space /scan now and hit enter. It will take some time to complete the process, so wait for it. Once done, close the window and again open command prompt, run as administrator. Now this is the last step to fix the problem, so type in dism/online/cleanup-image/scan health, then hit enter. After that wait for some time and execute this command, dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health, and press enter. After that restart your system and your problem will be solved. That's it guys, you're good to go.